Every year, my friends and I go to Lake Placid for a ski trip. Here's a step-by-step guide to how to have the most fun. Step 1. Go on the frozen lake and run around. Step 2. Explore the town and meet new people. Step 3. Get a bit creative on the ski slopes. Step 4. But always know your limits.
Our friend Jake fell and broke his wrist up there.
Step 5. I know I just said know your limits, but send it. That was my comprehensive guide on how to have fun at Lake Placid. Follow these steps and you too can make wonderful memories with your friends and families. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, here are some extra photos and videos from our previous trips.